Just got this EcoFlow RIVER PRO battery unit. I'm going to start the review video by running appliances. I'm going to use a stovetop electric burner, a hot pot to boil water, and I'm also going to use a microwave. In the comments and description, I'll have links to the exact items that I'm using in this video. This is 2 eggs with a slice of turkey and some pepperoni. And this is a stovetop burner. Plug it into the battery unit. Turn on the AC. It's showing it's using 600 watts. There's a fan pulling in air on this side, and it's blowing air out on this side. Okay, it's been 5 minutes. I'll turn it off. It went from 100% to 93%. Oh yeah. So I'm making some instant coffee. And I'm going to time how long it takes. It's using about 596 watts. Okay, it's been 4 minutes. It's come to a rolling boil. And it has gone from 93% to 89%. This is ground turkey and carrots. Gonna heat it up in a microwave. Got the microwave plugged in to the battery unit. Set it on power level 3 for 1 minute and 30 seconds. Running at 580 watts. So the microwave does work with this battery unit, and it went from 89% to 87%. And the microwave has to be a Panasonic inverter microwave. An inverter microwave works different from your old style microwave. When you set it to lower power levels, it'll do a consistently low draw of electricity. For an older style microwave, when you set a lower power level, it'll just cycle the magnetron on and off. So it'll use the full power, which is usually like 1400 watts. That's why this has to be Panasonic inverter. On power level 3. Now I'm going to test how long it will run my refrigerator. I'm going to time it. So the refrigerator just kicked on. I can hear the compressor running. Battery unit is showing 170 watts output. Okay, I'm about 2 hours in. The battery has gone from 100% to 87%. Something that's kind of cool is EcoFlow has an app that you can connect your phone to the unit, and it shows you like real-time stats. So it's showing that it's output of 148 watts. You can do cool stuff like turn the light on and off. You can turn the beep off and on. And it allows you to upgrade the firmware. And installing the app was really easy. It took me about 5 minutes. It comes with this instruction sheet. And what's really cool is I can be all the way on the other side of the house and I can check the status and watch what's going on. And when the unit has a fairly low draw of electricity, right now it's 150 watts, it runs completely silent. The fan isn't blowing right now. And after about 10 minutes of the refrigerator compressor running at 150 watts, the fan has come on, but it's blowing really softly. So it has multiple levels of speed depending on how much electricity is being drawn. Okay, it's been a total of 4 hours. It's gone from 100% to 65%. So I would guesstimate I could run my refrigerator for about 10 or 12 hours total. I also bought this EcoFlow solar panel, so let's hook it up and charge it in the sunshine. And it plugs in right here on the side. It's at 61%, showing a charge rate of 130 watts. And this is what makes that app so cool. I can be sitting here in my office as it's charging. So it's showing it's 71%, input rate of 110 watts, all from the comfort of my chair. And today is a partly cloudy day. So the input has been going up and down. Right now it's about 80 watts with that cloud cover. It's 3.5 hours later and the sun is starting to set behind my roof. And it has gone from 61% to 100% in 3 hours and 30 minutes. On a partly cloudy day. Now I'll test out the USB charging. These two are fast charging. Charging rapidly. Fast charging. Showing an output of 21 watts. And here at the bottom it shows what's plugged in. So it's got 2 USB ports. This is the EcoFlow RIVER PRO. It's small and compact and weighs 16 pounds. Out of the box, the battery is at 30%. So I'll start by doing a charge off my home power. I use the included power cord. Plug it into my kilowatt meter. So it shows it's charging. Input of 300 watts. And on here it's showing 400 watts. So it must have some really high quality fast charging. It's 25 minutes later. We're now at 64%. It's showing input of 620 watts. At the wall outlet, it's 720 watts. There is a fan blowing, but when I touch the unit, I don't feel any heat. It's still nice and cool. As it gets close to full, the power slowly ramps down. It's been 1 hour and 20 minutes. It's at 100%, 0 input watts. 1 hour and 20 minutes. Go from 30% to 100%. Over here is a light. It's got 3 settings. And also, you can turn it on and long press, and it turns off. It's got 1 USB-C, 2 regular USB, and 1 USB fast charging. It's got a DC power thing. You can turn it on right there, and then it shows up on the menu. It's got the 12-volt socket. It also has 2 jacks and an included cable. On this side, you have your inverter and 3 outlets. And there's also an expansion port where you can connect an external battery. Around the back is bare. On this side is your little power inputs. The housing is thick, heavy-duty construction. It seems very well made. One thing I like is right here on the handle is the logo kind of etched. This is good to provide power during a storm power outage, and also for camping. It'd also be good to power all the appliances and electronics in a stealth conversion van. EcoFlow also sells a bigger model called the Delta, and I might actually buy one of these too. So stay tuned for that video coming up.